So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and add in vignette and grains effect inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So over here you can see that I have this image. I'm in the develop module, and what I'm going to do now is add in a bit of a vignette effect onto the image right here. So to do that, you need to go around under the effects section where you can see the vignetting, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and increase and decrease the amount, as you can see, of the vignetting right here. So on the edges, you can see that the things get brighter. That is, the edges get brighter or darker as per how you actually select it, as you can see right here. You can also change around the midpoint and change around how much of the range you want vignette for. You can change around the roundedness as well, and even change around the feather, as you can see. So when I change around the feather and change around the roundedness, you can actually see what it means by roundedness and the midpoint right here, just like this. And as I change around the feather, you can see that this is what you have. You can also go ahead and change around the highlights, as you can see right here, to actually go ahead and change around the brightness. Apart from that, you can also add in more effect like grain right here. So you can go ahead and add in grain. Let me just turn off the clipping, and you can see that this now looks like an old image right now. And I can go ahead and change around the size as well, and change around the roughness of the grains as well. So you can disable this or enable this, as you can see right here, just like that. And that is how you can work around with vignette and grains inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.